Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to manage devices on Disney+. So how to log out of individual devices on Disney+. Go to your profile picture and account and now scroll down until you see manage my devices. So here, manage devices, click on that. And you should see that you have here some devices. So I am currently logged into 3 devices. This is my current device, and I can log out just by clicking on logout. So let's say I want to log out this Android phone device. I will click on logout and then confirm by logout. I can also log out of all devices if I click right here. So just click on logout, and here in your email box you should be able to see this code that you will need to confirm that you want to log out of this device. So go right here, copy the code from your email address and simply paste it right here and press continue. It is really this simple. As you can see, the device has been removed. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.